It's Book Buddy. It's me, Arya. And today we're going to read I Am Invited to a Party. Oh yeah, we're going to have a party today. And one fun thing is I've read out a lot of Piggy and Elephant books. And look for more in Kids Book Buddy. And let's start reading. I am invited to a party. Gerald! Look, I am invited to a party. Cool. It is cool. Will you go with me? I have never been to a party. I will go with you. I know parties. Party, 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 party. Wait, what if it is a fancy party? We must be ready. Really? I know parties. He knows parties. Zip, zap. Zap, zip. Is this fancy? Very fancy. Party, 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 party. Wait, what if it is a pool party? A fancy pool party. We must be ready. I know parties. He knows parties. Zip, zap. Zap, zip. How's this? We will make a splash. Party, 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 party. Wait, what if it is a costume party? A fancy pool costume party. We must be ready. Zip, zap. He had better know parties. He had better know parties. Zap, zip. Now can we go to the party? Yes, now we are ready. Well, that is a surprise. You do know parties. Party, 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 party. Party! Look for that hiding guy. Pigeon! It's like Piggy. Hey, Pigeon, come over.